feel? You're about to be killed.
Pretty terrified right now.
Okay. Do you feel even more terrified knowing it's Emily who's going to be killing you?
Quite possibly, because she's my best friend and I never would think that she would kill me.
I'm having Sarah get killed. Anytime, feel free to start washing your hands. Go down.